Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my experience using Zelle. Zelle is a digital payment network available right within many banking apps. This means you might already have access to it without needing to download anything extra. Head over to zellepay.com to see if your bank or credit union is already partnered with them. If not, you can still download the Zelle app for iOS or Android. Zelle specializes in person-to-person payments, making it quick and easy to send and receive money from friends, family, or even small businesses. Because it often works directly through your bank, transfers typically happen very quickly, sometimes within minutes. A key feature of Zelle is its focus on security. Utilizing encryption and monitoring transactions for suspicious activity provides a layer of protection for users. Zelle recommends only using the service to pay people you trust. Since the transactions are typically instant and irreversible, sending money to someone you don't know carries a risk. You can't get your money back if the recipient turns out to be dishonest. So, stick to paying friends, family, and people you've met face-to-face for things like splitting bills, paying rent, or reimbursing a friend for dinner. Think of it like handing someone cash. You wouldn't give cash to a stranger online, so use the same caution with Zelle. When using Zelle, be sure to double-check the recipient's information before hitting send. Because the transactions process so rapidly, errors can be difficult to rectify. Typos in a phone number or email address can lead to the money going to the wrong person. Zelle works by linking to either a US mobile phone number or email address. One individual can only have one account linked to a phone number or email address at any given time. Visit zellepay.com for FAQs, a complete list of participating banks and credit unions, and more details on getting started. They also offer resources on how to protect yourself from scams and what to do if you encounter a problem. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Stay safe and happy Zelling!